Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. With Christmas just around the corner, we've got something special for you today. We'll use the Deco 640 to draw a realistic Christmas tree. This remarkable drawing tablet weighs a mere 170 grams, yet it packs a punch with 16K pressure levels and 8 convenient soft shortcut keys. And the best part, it's available at an affordable price of just $34. It's not only a highly professional drawing tablet but also extremely portable, making it an ideal companion for business trips or any travel adventures. So, without further ado, let's dive into today's exciting tutorial. Step 1. First, let's connect Deco 640 to the computer. Then, launch Photoshop on the computer and proceed to create a new canvas. Set the width of the canvas to 2850 pixels, the height to 1900 pixels, and the resolution to 72 pixels per inch. Step 2. After that, pick the Kyle Ultimate Charcoal Pencil Med 2 brush and adjust the thickness to approximately 10. Determine the height and the center line of the Christmas tree. Sketch the outline of the Christmas tree, making sure that the natural asymmetry between the left and right sides is maintained. Consciously divide the tree crown into 3 or 4 sections and draw the outline shape accordingly. Subsequently, fill the crown with black color and the trunk with a shade of gray that is slightly lighter. Step 3. Hide the initial sketch and then start drawing the snow that's covering the crown of the Christmas tree. Employ white blocks and gradually increase the brush strokes in a downward direction from the top and from the sides towards the middle, so as to vividly display the variation in volume. Additionally, draw some snow beneath the tree trunk as well. Step 4. Now, let's work on the colors of the Christmas tree. Utilize the shortcut key, Ctrl+U, to open the hue/saturation adjustment box and check the coloring option. Paint the tree in a light green hue and the trunk in a light brown shade. Given that we've set the light source as top light in this scenario, apply the multiply layer mode. With this layer mode, add darker parts and projections to the sides and bottom of the Christmas tree to make it look more three-dimensional and realistic. Next, draw a simple background for the Christmas tree. Firstly, adjust the color of the canvas to pink. Then, fill the sky area with dark purple and use an eraser tool skillfully to create a smooth gradient effect. After that, fill a blue-purple color to represent the snow-covered ground. To enhance the sense of space, use dark purple to deepen the colors around the edges. Step 5. Employ a soft-edged brush stroke to further refine the details of the tree crown and the snow. Modify the form of the dark and light projections in accordance with the contours of the tree crown and the snow, thereby generating a more pronounced sense of volume and depth. Step 6. Now it's time to add decorations and light effects to make our Christmas tree even more charming. First, create a new layer and set it to color dodge mode. Then, take a soft-edged brush and delicately add light effects to several key areas. These include the edges of the Christmas tree, the boundaries where light transitions to dark, and of course, the various decorations on the tree. This will give the whole scene a warm and glittering touch. Moreover, don't forget about the snow on the ground. Due to diffuse reflection, it will also emit a faint, soft light. To achieve this effect, choose a granular brush. Begin by using a relatively small brush to gently dot some of the snow that's covering the tree. After that, adjust the brush size and add more dots to the base of the tree. While doing so, be cautious not to overlook the decorations placed on top of the tree, ensuring that each element gets its fair share of the magical light effect and contributes to the overall festive and enchanting atmosphere of our Christmas tree illustration. Step 7. Select appropriate brushes and use the multiply layer mode to add texture to the snow and the tree. Finally, adjust the color tendency and brightness properly, and then it's all done. Alright, lastly, let's pen a Christmas greeting. Voila! Such a vivid and magnificent Christmas tree is now complete. Thank you for tuning in to today's drawing tutorial. XP Pen would like to extend warm wishes to all of you for a very Merry Christmas. We look forward to seeing you create your own distinctive works using the XP Pen drawing tablet. See you next time!